Hello, today we will continue our work with Git, specifically learning how to make a pull request. A pull request is primarily used for discussing changes or adding new code. That is, if you want to add your code to an exciting library or simply make some changes in your working project, you will be typically use a pull request. The advantages of this approach include being able to exchange messages and decide whether the code is good enough to merge, that is, to combine with the main code base. You can also agree with colleagues on a certain number of approvals, meaning endorsement from colleagues, after which the code can be added to the repository. Let's move on to practice. We will use two accounts here. The main, on where the code is located, Pasha LT, we'll call it owner, and the account that we be making changes, Pasha CW. That is the contributor. We are currently working on the contributor account. I will let you know when I switch accounts. First, we need to decide where we want to add our code. I'll choose our repository codeway. Let's add a line to these files. As you see, there is currently only one entry. We need to make a fork. A fork is a duplicate of the repository from one user to another. So if you like a project, you can take it to your account in this way. Click fork. Now create fork. And it's done. As you see, now this repository in our account. Let's clone it to our computer. Git clone and our URL. Let's check that everything downloaded and find the file we need. Git pull request txt. Now let's make changes. I will choose the nano editor. We add our line. To save the changes, press Ctrl+O, to exit Ctrl+X and enter. Let's use the cut command to check that everything was saved. Everything is here. Let's add the changes. Commit and push. Remember, sometimes a token is used on GitHub instead of a password. The changes are uploaded. Let's check on GitHub. This is still our contributor account. Yes, everything is there. Now we need to make a pull request, click contribute and open pull request. Here we see our changes. Click create pull request. Here we can add some information if needed and again click create pull request. Now we need to switch to the account Pasha LT, that is the owner account, to see what it looks like from the owner's perspective. You see one message appeared in pull request. We see from whom. We see the comment. To look at the code, we go into commits and click here. Going back to the conversation, and if we agree to add this, we check is everything merged. As you see, the changes were added. I showed all this on GitHub, but if you are doing this on another web service for hosting, the sequence of action will be the same. You make a fork, make changes to the code, make a pull request, and done. Thank you for your attention. Share this video, like, comment, have a great day.